Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about problem relevant to find out capacitance value and potential value V. So this is the question. A parallel plate capacitor has an area of 0.8 meter square, separation of 0.1 mm with a dielectric for which epsilon r is equal to 1000 and a field of 10 power 6 volt per meter. Calculate C and V. First, write the given data. The area value which is equal to A, 0.8 meter square. Then the D value, separation distance, is equal to 0.1 mm, which is equal to 0.1 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Then the relative permittivity epsilon r is equal to 1000. The field intensity value E is equal to 10 power 6 volt per meter. First, write the capacitance equation. So, C is equal to epsilon naught epsilon r A divided by D. So, the capacitance value which is relevant to permittivity of the medium and area of the parallel plate capacitor, then the separating distance between these two parallel plates. Substitute all the values. Epsilon naught value is equal to 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 farad per meter. Then epsilon r value which is equal to 1000. Then A value is equal to 0.8 meter square divided by D value 0.1 into 10 power minus 3. Calculate this. Get this result is equal to 70.8 into 10 power minus 6 farad, or we can write in another way 70.8 microfarad. So micro which is equal to what? 10 power minus 6. Then find out next potential value V. So V is equal to the product of E and D. So the field intensity value E which is multiplied with the separating distance D, we get this result of potential function. So the E value is equal to 10 power 6. Then D value is equal to 0.1 into 10 power minus 3. So the result is equal to 100 volt. Okay. So this is the result. So the C and V value we have easily calculated by using these two formulas. Thank you.